Nets and Raptors meeting up for the second time in 4 days. Toronto came out on top thanks to the worst shooting day of Vince Carter's career. The Nets trying to avoid their fourth straight loss. Jamario Moon trying to avoid hitting his head on the ceiling. Moon getting up, throwing the alley-oop in. 13-2 at that point. Meanwhile, Toronto playing some ball. Jermaine O'Neal coming through the lane, dunking it down. If he can ever get it going, Toronto is going to be dangerous. Then, look at that. Joey Graham going baseline, dunking on everybody in the way. Then it's VC to Ryan Anderson. Anderson had a good ball game. 21 points for him on this night. Jamario Moon likes playing above the rim. Moon off the O'Neal miss, putting it in with one hand with a little flavor. The youngster is smiling. VC smiling after knocking this three ball in. Third quarter, 70-63, Toronto on top. Devin Harris coming through the lane, getting the and one to go down. The New Jersey Nets are charging. In the fourth quarter, they dominated this quarter, as a matter of fact. Devin Harris a big part of it. Drives missed there. No worries, Brook Lopez there on the follow. 5-point game, Devin hitting it. 15 of his 20 points came in the fourth quarter. Devin driving again, kicking it out. This is money. Ryan Anderson, 4-3, but the Raptors still lead by 10. Adding to it, Jason Kapono. He can shoot the three ball. We all know that. He hits it there. Toronto, 81-90, New Jersey on top. Jermaine O'Neal getting it going down low. Jermaine, 14 points on this night. They keep it coming. Chris Bosh from long range. Lefty three is good. 5-point ball game, New Jersey on top. Time ticking down in the fourth quarter. Toronto, one more shot. They turn the ball over. So the Nets go on to win. 94-87, 20 points, 10 rebounds, 5 assists for Vince Carter. Devin Harris, 20 in the win.